How to share Discord profile link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share Discord profile link. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Discord app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside app, you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the profile section. Now here, once you're inside this section, you can just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as advanced. So there you can just tap on it. And now here in this section, make sure that you have toggled on the developer mode option. And now here, once you're done with it, now you can just go back to the Discord home screen and there you can just open any server where your profile is visible. So there, just open any server where your profile is visible. And now here, once you see your profile on certain server, then what you can do is you can just tap on your username or profile. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the interface like this. Now here in this section, you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of that particular profile pop-up. And now here, from the pop-up menu that appears, you can just tap on copy user ID option. And now here, once you're done with it, now to create your profile link, you need to add a copied user ID to this format. That is https double colon double slash discord.com slash users slash, and here you can just paste that user ID number that you have copied before, and this is the profile link of your Discord ID. So here you can just copy all of this and you can just send it to any friends that you would like to send on any social media platforms. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.